Hey guys, what is up? Today we're gonna be making burgers that will make you happy. And as always, the first thing to do is to start up your barbecue. In this case, I'm using a compact grill. I'll put in a few of these starter cubes. Put your chimney starter on top of that. And I'll take my Kamado Joe big block. And of course it's a big block and it's meant to be, you know, going into ceramic grills. But there's definitely gray charcoal in here that will be perfect for our compact grills. So I'm hand selecting the smaller chunks. There we go. We'll give it about 10 minutes to start up. So in the meantime, we can prepare our burger patties. To make burger patties, I always have a box with rings. These rings, I can select the size that I want to. You can buy these really cheap in one of those household stores. So what I'll do is take my bun, get my ring out and select the right size. Do I want to go oversized, hanging out of the bun? Or do I want it to be packed in the bun? I think this size is about perfect. So we'll select this one. I will take a little bit of this minced 50-50 meat, put it in the ring, mix it up a little bit, and start creating that patty. Don't press it too firm. You want to give it a little room to expand. And now we'll give the ring a little twist. Take it off. And that is our first burger patty. Perfect in size. Flatten it with your hand. Flip it over. Do the other side as well. Perfect. Let's do another one. Now I don't want to make my burger patties too thick. Of course we want a lot of flavor, but I'd rather have 2 burger patties with a good amount of crust than one big burger patty with all meat. I do really like that outside crust, caramelized meat for flavor. Give it a twist. There we go. And as you can see, a good way to create burger patties with the same size. The charcoal is done. We can spread it out over the grill. As you can see, I did not let it turn all white. We really want to have a little bit of a charcoal ready to go. So we'll move this over to one side, but without creating too much heat. Vents all the way open. Time to put the grill grate on and place the burger patties on top of the grill. Over the indirect side, I'm gonna render some bacon. I do like a little bit of bacon on my burger, so this is gonna smell amazing. While we're waiting for the burgers to cook, I'll thinly slice these spring onions or scallions. Let's check the bottom of that burger. Make sure we don't burn it. It's looking good, but we need to rotate. We're definitely getting some nice color on these burgers. Flip the bacon and flip the burger. There we go. A little bit of salt on top of the burger. Close down the vents. Now we do like some cheese in the Netherlands. So I'll get some cheese on top of my burger. I got some young Gouda cheese here that will melt easily. Now it's time to close the lid. Yeah, perfect. The cheese has melted. Bacon is almost done. Time to move these burgers over to the indirect side. And now in the Netherlands we have these great burger buns that you just get fresh out of the bakery. But if you can't get those where you live, make them yourself. There are a lot of recipes going around on the internet. We just need to toast them a little bit. Burgers bun have been beautifully toasted. We're gonna put some mayonnaise on the bottom bun. We'll give it some creaminess. There we go. Now these bacon and cheeseburgers are so very easy to make. It's just ridiculous. We're gonna put the burger patty right here. Put 2 slices of bacon on. Add another burger patty. Another 2 slices of bacon. Fuse these spring onions and a little bit of ketchup. So easy to do. Why be bothered with driving all the way to the McDonald's or any other fast food restaurant? Look at that. Well, this is a burger that makes me happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Cheers.